Hi there, my name is Garrett Carlson and I am a product support specialist right here at Dexter Laundry. We're right in front of our Dexter laundromat here in Fairfield, Iowa, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix a temp sensor short or temp sensor open on a stack C-Series dryer, 30-pound and 50-pound, and as well as our single pocket C-Series dryers. Let's go inside.
Dexter Laundry recommends that all service and troubleshooting be completed by a qualified service person. Live voltage, moving parts, and sharp edges are present inside every Dexter machine. Extreme caution should be used if you decide to troubleshoot your equipment. Disconnect power to your washer or dryer before attempting any service. Warning: failure to follow these instructions can result in cuts, electrical shock, fire, or death. Please observe all warning symbols.
So as you can see, this is our Dexter C-Series stacked 50-pound dryer. Right there on the top pocket it says temp sensor open. What we're going to do first is we're going to turn off all the power, then we're going to go in there and there's wire nuts behind the control where we're going to twist them back together, wire nut them back up, and restart the dryer, and it should clear that. But first, let's turn the power off. All of our dryers here have a shutoff switch right here that'll just turn off power to the entire machine. Go ahead and hit that. We'll go out there and take off all of our jewelry and everything like that, and then we'll get going and start twisting back those wire nuts. Power's off, no display here. Now we can pull the control board out and check those wire nuts behind the control. So you can go ahead and walk in here, pull this out. Of course, it's going to be difficult now that we're videotaping. There we go. So right here are your temp sensor wires. This brown, purple, and this gray. If you follow them back, you'll see that there's one wire nut here, and there should be another one that connects this purple wire to this black wire. Because right now they're not connected together, that's what's throwing that temp sensor open on the top pocket. So let's go ahead and retwist those together, wire nut it back up, and then we should be good to go. So easy day, power is back on, no more error. You should be able to easily start the dryer. We're good to go. Now, let's move on to the single pockets right over here. This is our C-Series 80-pound single pocket dryer. The temp sensor is basically in the same place, right underneath the tub. But the easiest way to access it is to come in here where the lint compartment is, and just above the top of the lint screen and just below the tub is where you're going to find that temp sensor. So come check it out. Go ahead and take these off. Now the easiest way to actually get to it is to take off the front panel, but you can do it just this way. And then it's going to be right in between here. As you can see, there are your wire nuts. Right there, in between the top of the lint screen and the bottom of the tub. Get in there, retwist those wire nuts, you should be good to go. So there you have it. How to fix a temp sensor short or temp sensor open on both our stacked C-Series dryers and our single pocket dryer. There are wire nuts that leave the temp sensor into wires that then go to the control board. Go ahead and take those two wires if you have to. Go ahead and strip back the insulation, retwist them, put the wire nut back on, and then restart power to the machine. Make sure that when you're doing any sorts of electrical work or any sort of troubleshooting that you are not doing it with power on. It can lead to electrical shock and other damages. Don't wear any jewelry, and if you need to, do wear gloves. I'm Garrett Carlson, Product Support Specialist for Dexter Laundry here in Fairfield, Iowa. If you have any further questions, 1-800-524-2954. Thanks.
Dexter Laundry, made in the USA, made by us.